What up, guys? We are back again with another vlog. Today it is Thanksgiving Day. Happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. You're probably gonna watch this video after Thanksgiving, so hopefully you are recovering from all the food that you have eaten. Anyway, today I am going to meet up with the Type R boys again, but this time we're going to a Thanksgiving cruise to downtown Chicago. I never been to this cruise. Apparently it was a good turnout last year. There was a bunch of cars cruising down 290 heading to Chicago. So I managed to wake up early this morning at 5, get ready, and now I'm gonna head there. We're just gonna meet up at Krispy Kreme, and yeah, I will see you there. Oh yeah, I want to give a shout out to those that work Thanksgiving. If you're working Thanksgiving, you're probably very essential. Either you're in the medical field or you're a policeman or a paramedic. Shout out to you. Or if you work at retail, you're probably preparing yourself for the Black Friday sale and the mayhem. Shout out to you guys that are working today. Just got to the meetup spot. I'm the first one here. Man, it's gonna be a beautiful day out again. Beautiful Thanksgiving Day.
Gumboard.
They almost have the same body style too. The body lines. That's why I get confused with them.
Yeah, that's probably like
Alright, thanks for coming out this morning, everybody. I really appreciate it. It's great to make such a sacrifice to come on out on Thanksgiving, and we do see that and recognize that. We want to say thanks for coming out and spending Thanksgiving morning with us. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Today is the 128th anniversary of the first automobile race in America. Technically, that puts it at the first automobile race in the world. Quite a long time. We're going to bring some different machinery out today. So, we will do as we did last year. If you want to run in the fast group, try to separate. I don't know how we're going to separate. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Yeah, fast guys go to the left, slow guys go to the right. It's fine. I've asked River Forest to see if they can give us another police escort. That worked out fantastic last year. So we'll try to get through these first lights going down Harlem. Try to stick together as a group so we get out there all together, but then it'll be chaos once we get on the freeway. Only if a police officer is waving you through. Yeah. If you happen to get pulled over, please take as long as possible talking to the officer so everybody else can go by. I don't know where my paperwork's at. Maybe it's here, maybe it's not. This is it. No. So, thanks again, everybody, for coming out. I look forward to seeing you down at the other end of the show. If anybody needs the address, it is in the description of the event, but it's 1800 Columbia Drive. So that puts us at the backside of the museum and near the harbor. Otherwise, follow all the amazing cars down there and we'll find you a spot. All right, thanks a lot, everybody, and happy Thanksgiving.
Hey bro, thanks for letting me ride with you.
No problem, bro. You got it. Enjoy the ride.
also on lowering springs, bro. Imagine when you're on coilovers with the turns and.
We got here pretty fucking early.
So basically,
Check out this Mercedes. Wow. V8 bi-turbo. This is really sick. Well, I am back to my car now. What a day, or what a morning for a Thanksgiving cruise. That was unbelievable. Oh man, it sucks that the season is pretty much over. I hope everybody has a good Thanksgiving. If you guys liked the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.